Sejam bem-vindos. Neste vídeo você vai escutar e ler inglês simultaneamente. Essa prática oferece muitos benefícios, pois melhora a compreensão auditiva e a leitura de forma integrada, ajudando a reconhecer palavras e frases em diferentes contextos. Isso aumenta o vocabulário e melhora a pronúncia, já que você aprende a entonação correta da língua. Também aumenta a concentração e a retenção de informações, tornando o aprendizado mais eficiente. Além disso, é uma forma mais envolvente de estudar, mantendo o processo de aprendizagem mais interessante e eficaz. Este vídeo é perfeito para você que quer treinar seu inglês e aprender valiosas lições de sucesso ao mesmo tempo. Hoje vamos mergulhar no fascinante livro, Os Princípios do Sucesso de Jack Canfield. Antes de começarmos, não se esqueça de se inscrever no canal e curtir o vídeo para receber mais conteúdo como este. Agora, sem mais delongas, vamos começar, em 3 segundos.
Introduction. The Success Principles by Jack Canfield is a comprehensive guide designed to help individuals achieve their personal and professional goals. The book is structured around 64 principles that Canfield believes are essential for success. These principles are drawn from his own experiences, as well as those of successful individuals from various fields. Take 100% responsibility for your life. Canfield begins by emphasizing the importance of taking full responsibility for your life. This means acknowledging that you are the primary architect of your future. He advises readers to stop blaming external factors for their failures and to focus on what they can control. Set clear goals. One of the core messages of the book is the importance of setting clear, specific goals. Canfield argues that without clear goals, you lack direction and purpose. He suggests writing down your goals and reviewing them regularly to stay focused. Believe in yourself. Belief in oneself is crucial for achieving success. Canfield shares stories of individuals who overcame significant obstacles simply because they believed in their abilities. He encourages readers to develop a positive mindset and to visualize their success. Take action. Canfield stresses that taking consistent action is key to achieving your goals. He advises breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and taking action every day. Procrastination is the enemy of success, and taking even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Learn from feedback. Feedback is an invaluable tool for growth. Canfield advises readers to seek feedback regularly and to view it as a learning opportunity rather than criticism. Constructive feedback can help you identify areas for improvement and adjust your approach accordingly. Persevere. Perseverance is a common trait among successful people. Canfield shares stories of individuals who faced numerous setbacks but eventually succeeded because they didn't give up. He encourages readers to stay committed to their goals, even in the face of challenges. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is another important principle highlighted by Canfield. He suggests that regularly practicing gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive mindset. Keeping a gratitude journal is one way to cultivate this habit. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude can significantly impact your success. Canfield advises surrounding yourself with positive influences and avoiding negativity. He also emphasizes the power of affirmations and positive self-talk in maintaining a positive attitude. Build strong relationships. Networking and building strong relationships are essential for success. Canfield suggests that connecting with like-minded individuals can provide support, inspiration, and opportunities. He also advises being genuine and helping others without expecting anything in return. Take care of your health. Success is not just about achieving goals, but also about maintaining overall well-being. Canfield emphasizes the importance of taking care of your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest are all crucial for sustaining high performance. Conclusion: The Success Principles offers a comprehensive roadmap for achieving success in various aspects of life. By taking responsibility, setting clear goals, believing in yourself, taking action, learning from feedback, persevering, practicing gratitude, maintaining a positive attitude, building strong relationships, and taking care of your health, you can create the life you desire. Canfield's principles are practical and actionable, making them accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. This summary provides an overview of the key principles outlined in Jack Canfield's The Success Principles. The book itself contains many more insights, examples, and exercises to help you implement these principles and achieve your goals.
Obrigado por assistir a este vídeo e praticar seu inglês conosco. Se você achou este conteúdo útil, não esqueça de curtir. E se quiser ver mais vídeos como este, se inscreva no canal e ative o sininho. Interaja com a gente, escreva nos comentários se você tiver alguma sugestão para vídeos futuros, ou o que você achou mais interessante sobre o resumo do livro. Se você se interessou pelo livro, considere comprá-lo através do link na descrição, contando com toda a credibilidade da Amazon. Nos ajude a continuar produzindo conteúdo de qualidade para você. E lembre-se, praticar regularmente é a chave para dominar um novo idioma. Ao ouvir e ler simultaneamente, você está melhorando sua compreensão e retenção. Continue praticando e nos vemos no próximo vídeo.